took part in the Sex in Science programme because I feel very strongly that as a scientific community, if we want to get the best out of all the available talent out there, we need to be flexible and to understand some of the issues that women and actually both genders have in their careers and lives in order to be able to get the best out of everybody. So I think my advice to young people, irrespective of whether they're male or female, is to really try and understand the world of opportunities that there is for them, and to think ahead quite early about how they're going to navigate their career path. And I think particularly trying to address how do I be successful as an individual scientist, but how do I get acknowledged for that in an increasingly sort of team working and collaborative environment. So I was inspired to pursue a career in science really through a great immunologist, Matt Singer, who was very buoyant, stylish, had some very different views about how the immune system worked, and I really felt that she was somebody that was very aspirational because of her style and who she was. I felt I could relate to and maybe think that I could be a good scientist one day myself. So the barriers I think that I came up against in my career were mostly myself, learning to grow in confidence and coping with the uncertainty about whether or not I would be able to do things and take new things on. Fortunately, great mentors and good role models really enabled me to develop my career and demonstrate the potential that I did have to do well. So I think my greatest achievement in my professional career is the way that we've managed to integrate genetics as a discipline into some of the work that we do in the pharmaceutical industry, and we're thinking much more holistically about how to integrate right from when we first think about a target all the way through to market. I don't really feel that I've made any sacrifices. I think obviously I have 3 children, so I always wish I could spend more time with the children, and I do have a sense of did I do enough for the children? I certainly hope that I did. I don't feel I've made any other sacrifices, and in fact I feel enormously privileged to have had a career built on something I love doing.